We've got the Ferrari 488 Pista. I've got the keys to this car. And let's do a cold start. Are you guys ready? This will be one very, very loud car. Let's do it. It's so loud. Let's go. Good morning everyone, welcome back to Importo Cup channel where stock is always boring. My name is KBH. Today guys, I have a very track-oriented Ferrari with me, presenting the Ferrari 488 Pista. I'll show you guys all the mods that I did to this car. Let's check it out. We've got the 488 Pista. This is the most track-oriented, most agile 488 road car that you can buy. This car has a very, very aggressive design and aero. Air goes in here, the air goes through here, and it goes out to this hood vents. Also, you can see the big-ass vents in the front bumper. The owner bought this brand new and he picked all the carbon options for the car. This is OEM carbon from Ferrari. This is super expensive, guys. This is not a sticker nor like we added on these stripes. This is painted from factory. The owner spec'd it to have a black and white combination. Of course, we don't feature stock cars in our channel, so we added more carbon to this car, namely this part. So this is from Novitec Group. This is the front hood spoiler, as they say. We added this black package from Novitec. So all the lights are changed to the black colored ones. So this previously is colored amber, orange. Our favorite mod on this car will always be the MV Forge carbon wheels. So actually this car previously had carbon wheels already from Ferrari, and it cost like almost 2 million pesos. It's crazy. It's a car already, but it's an option. So the owner picked that, but he's not happy with the stands. So we decided to install carbon wheels from MV Forge. So this is a two-piece design. The first piece is a Dimag barrel. It's all real carbon fiber. This is not an overlay, guys. We picked the classic 5-spoke design from MV Forge, matching with the Ferrari center caps. Look at that. This center caps alone costs a lot of money. It's almost 100,000 pesos. It's crazy, right?
Second-hand car.
Yeah. This is an Italian flag highlight. So green, white, red. It's a nice touch, but it goes a long way. Then we lowered the car a bit through Novitec adjustable springs. We didn't slam it. When you slam a Pista, you really scrape the car. Yeah. I've done a couple of Pista already, so I'm very, very familiar and knowledgeable with this platform. Look at that carbon ceramic brakes from Brembo. Just black, so simple but stunning. We're running on Michelin PS4S, size 255/30/21. We're running on a staggered setup, meaning to say the rear wheels are way, way wider. The front is measuring 21 by 9.5 and the rear wheels are measuring 22 by 12. Tire size is 335/25/22. Side skirts from Ferrari. So it matches 100% with the Novitec Group carbon fiber weave. Looks good. This is the only color on the car. the Ferrari badge. This is an OEM Ferrari carbon fiber vent. It's huge, guys. More intake. The more air, the better the performance is. Made this black as well. Look at that. Then this we added from Novitec Group. So it's a tail light cover from them. Then the spoiler, the ducktail spoiler from Novitec Group. So this is a Pista version, meaning to say lightweight, and they saved some couple of kilos by doing a plastic cover glass. It's called Lexan glass. And look at that, it's all carbon fiber. Air goes here, goes out here. This alone costs almost 500,000 pesos. It's crazy. Then this diffuser is all carbon fiber. Even the fog light cover is carbon fiber. The rear diffusers are huge. One feature that the 488 platform has are these active aero vents. More downforce because of the active aero underneath. We've installed a full Novitec Inconel exhaust. It's a race version, meaning to say we're running on catless downpipes. So that's why it's so loud, guys. It's lightweight. It's better than the stainless steel version. It sounds better as well. You can't see it here because the tips are just black, but yeah, you can hear it properly. Novitec Group has the best parts for the car, the most expensive. The exhaust alone is $1 million something already, and they use it for F1 cars. So for the headers and exhaust, they use Inconel because it's very durable, more durable than the titanium ones. So you have stainless, then Inconel, then titanium. It really depends on your preference if you want to run Inconel or titanium. Some prefers a higher pitch sound, meaning to say they run titanium, but the Inconel ones are more durable and stronger. So you can really use the car and not worry about the exhaust or headers and the welds breaking. We're now driving the 488 Pista. This is actually a very easy car to drive, mainly because this is not super slammed. It has a front lift, so it's so easy to maneuver and bring to places. Look at the interior, guys. All Alcantara. And this is not white stitch, this is silver. All Alcantara and all carbon fiber, and it's lightweight because of the use of carbon fiber. There's no glove box. This is just like a wing design. It's floating. This holds value, guys. I mean, there's only around 3,500 units of Ferrari 488 Pistas made by Ferrari. It's around 35 million pesos, guys. Yeah, it's crazy money, but yeah, you won't go wrong if you buy one. I love the seats, guys. This is the Daytona carbon bucket seats. Look at that. It's so nice with the carbon weave here. It's very comfy. It feels good. The carbon fiber is all satin, and it has PPF. I cannot really do some pulls because now it's traffic, but I can let you guys hear it rev. It sounds so good, lower pitched as compared to mine. This car has a 3.9 liter V8 twin turbo engine producing 710 horsepower and 770 torque. We didn't tune the car. We just used a Novitec N-tronic, meaning to say it just deletes the check engine due to the catless downpipes that we installed. This car has a lot of potential to be one of the fastest cars that you can buy right now. So the Pista's engine has newer camshafts, better pistons, better connecting rods, and bigger intercoolers. That's why it's producing more power as compared to the normal 480. The ride is very, very complacent. I don't know, we're not bouncing, and we're not even in bumpy road mode. A lot of people are asking what they like more, a Lambo or a Ferrari. I always say if I like it to be comfy, I would go for a Ferrari. Well, Lambos tend to have a harsher ride as compared to Ferraris. Also, did you notice the sound? It's louder in this cabin as compared to a normal one. Mainly because there's no sound deadening. Well, it's less sound deadening. Even the windows are thinner. So yeah, they saved around 90 kilos, 91 kilos total weight savings as compared to the normal 488 GTB. I really like the sound of the turbo spools, all the bells and whistles when you step on the gas. It's nice. The shifting of the Pista is so fast. Way faster than the normal 488 GTB. Even the downshifts are way faster. I love it. See? It's so fast. And also, this is a precise track machine, guys. It's so agile and it's quick and it's so easy to point wherever direction that you want to. See? It's so fast. That's how torquey this car is. It's spinning second gear, third gear. So fast. Now I'm enjoying. We're doing 4 gears already. My phone flew away. The wheel is spinning until 4th gear. And we're running wider tires and wider tracks. Amazing. Every time I review cars, it makes me want to buy one. It's so much different driving characteristics of this car as compared to the normal 488. Ay, no more. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share our videos and our channel. I would really appreciate it. And don't forget to check out all the builds that we're doing here at Importo Cup. Our Facebook page is Importo Cup. Our Instagram page is kbh__kbh. I hope to see you guys on the next episode. Goodbye.